guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy wreath. It's so simple to make. You're going to be surprised at how quick it comes together. I picked up the wood wreath at Hobby Lobby, and I also picked up my floral picks at Hobby Lobby. So you're going to need 2 of the fern, 2 of the glitter balls, and 2 magnolias. We're going to make a swag, so take the fern picks, place one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stems, and we did trim them shorter. Next, 1 glitter ball pick on the left, 1 glitter ball pick on the right, overlapping the stems. I could not get the stems to trim, so I ended up folding them. My daughter tried to, and they were just too hard to cut, so that's why they're folded. Next, 1 magnolia on the left, 1 on the right, overlapping the stems. Now you're ready to zip tie your little swag together. You do not have to buy your florals at Hobby Lobby. You can buy them at Dollar Tree or wherever you would like. So this is how your swag looks. Now you're going to need some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire to tie a bow. Let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand. Go to the other side, make another loop. Try to make the same size as your first loop. Keep it pinched tightly in your hand. Go back to the first side, make another loop. Check to make sure it's about the same size as your first loop. Go back to the other side, make another loop. Once you get the bow the size you want, then you're going to want to let out a tail, and then you're going to want to have some floral wire to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow. You will want to leave the wires long because you're going to use them to wrap it around the swag, and then you'll wrap the swag around the wreath. I'm dovetailing the ends. Fold your tail in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold. That makes the pretty V on the ends, then fluff the loops of your bow. Now we're taking the wires on the bow, just wrapping them around the swag, going to the back, going to give the wires a few twists and leave them long because we're going to take those wires and now we're going to wrap them around the wood wreath. Go to the back, twist the wires, and cut them short. Now because these florals are a little heavy, I did thread 2 zip ties through the wooden wreath around the swag in 2 places so that it would not move. You could also add a little hot glue to make sure your florals do not move. And now your wreath is finished. Wasn't that simple and so easy to make? To hang it up on your door, you're going to want to place the wire closer to the top magnolia. That way it kind of balances out the weight and will hang straight on your door. Last week I hit 80,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so I wanted to say thank you guys so much. So for my 80,000 subscribers and my December giveaway, I'm going to be giving away one $50 Hobby Lobby gift card. This giveaway is not sponsored or endorsed or affiliated with YouTube or anyone. I just wanted to do something to say thank you, and this is for residents in the US only. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is in the comment section, leave me a comment letting me know your favorite Christmas tradition. On December 25th, 2021, my daughter will draw one name and I will notify that person on this video that you are the winner of my $50 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway. If you share this video, let me know and that will give you an extra entry into my giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas.